Good morning! Welcome for our day 2 in the parks. It is very cold, so I invested in new headwear. Instead of ears, I will go for this panda that is very, very warm. Today we are going to do studios. There is a lot under construction, so we will do a few shows and have a few attractions, but the main part of the studios is currently under construction. So we will head back to the hotel to have some swimming time later on in the day, and then we will come back to see the nighttime spectacular also in the studios. And then we have a reservation in downtown restaurant. So yes, full day packed of activities. Let's follow along. We will start our day by les tapis volants, the flying carpets. And Gabriella is just starting to watch the Aladdin film, so she was like, "Oh, it's Genie, it's Aladdin," so she knows what it is. Did you saw the Genie? Yeah. Woo!
Welcome aboard. Please pull down your lap bar. For your own hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the carpet. And please watch your children.
Hey guys, so we are currently nearby the Ratatouille attraction because there's a square now with a lot of stands. When you get some snacks, you can see Gabriella is eating strawberry with white chocolate, her favorite. She loves strawberries. Always better when she prefers to eat some fruit instead of a cookie or a snack. And we just decided to get a hot chocolate and a glue wine and just taking in the atmosphere. It's great here because for the rest the park is a lot in renovation. There's not a lot of open at the moment, so I think it's a half-day park at the moment. So when you come here at the moment, I think you better wait till the renovation of the new parts of the park are ready, and then you can really have a full day here. But it's great, just relaxing, strolling through the park, doing some attractions, some shows, and let's keep you posted.
Yes, the Together musical adventure is amazing show. You have a really cool stage where you have a lot of technology and the stage is moving and there are real actors on stage but also digital. You have all the songs of the Pixar, but unfortunately you cannot film inside. No cell phones, no videos allowed. I think that's great for the experience because you have no people, with their little cell phones in a way, but it's really a must-do. If you're visiting this park, this is the one thing that should be on your bucket list. It's this show. It's really amazing. Then it is time for the next attraction. It's the Spider-Man W.E.B Adventure in Disneyland Paris. This fun ride lets you use your hands to shoot webs, just like Spider-Man. You help catch the spider bots before they cause trouble. You have no special gear, just a lot of action and laughs. It's great for the kids and for us too. It's really Gabriella's favorite ride of the full park.
Elles sont très élégantes. Voyez-moi. That's it. Watch your step as you move all the way into the slinger vehicle. Take a seat and put those web vision targeting glasses on. They make everyone look cool.
Tu as vraiment résolu le... Oui, mais j'aurais jamais... Merci d'avoir participé à notre jeu.
Now it is lunchtime at Stark Factory. We grabbed a tasty meal before we are using our fast passes for the Avengers Assemble, the coaster. One of us took this high-speed thrill coaster solo while the other one stayed with Gabriella. It was cold outside, so we were happy to be able to wait in the warmth inside. The ride itself is super fast, super fun and perfect for Marvel fans. After that, it was time to reunite and enjoy more adventures together. So we are ready to board the Ratatouille attraction. It's without glasses. That's strange. I think there used to be glasses in this attraction as well. But let's see. Oh, look, our mouse has arrived. Okay, Gabriella, you will go first. Ooh. Be careful. Okay, now enter. You want to sit in the middle? You want to sit in the middle?
Yeah.
Or you want to sit there? Here? Okay.
Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what here? Voor de repas idéal. Cocoa?
Effect gaat wel minder zijn, denk ik.
A simple moment? Too simple.
What?
Mais oui, that's it! Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy.
Oké, dat is wel boxshot zonder bril.
Et bon appétit. Et oui, non? Au revoir.
Si vous restez à la traîne, vous ne verrez jamais ce qui vous attend.
The strawberries were so good, we went back for a second round. Oh, 2 o'clock almost, and we are going to ride the Slinky Dog thingy. I don't know the exact name for it. It's not the Slinky Dog Dash, it's the roller coaster in Disney World. Yeah, it's a different attraction. And Gabriella just finishing our strawberries.
Hello. Guys.
Hello.
There is something strange going on here.
Cozy.
Gaan we hier binnen?
We had an amazing day in the Hollywood Studios. Now it was time for our last ride of the day, which was the Cars ride. It was chilly, but luckily no rain. While the park had a lot of renovations, which meant fewer rides to choose from, we still had much fun, especially with our Marvel adventures. And staying at the Disney's Hotel New York Art of Marvel made the rest of the day even better. A cozy, stylish place to relax after all the excitement. Can't wait to come back for more magic, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more family fun!